all the articles start off polar vortex, polar vortex. But what actually is it? A polar vortex isn't some monster storm. It's always there every winter, sitting over the Arctic. It's actually the weakening of the polar vortex that ushers in this Arctic air. A low pressure sets up around the Arctic, and it goes from the surface all the way to the stratosphere. It's a strong circulation around that low pressure. As long as that circulation stays strong, it stays contained in the Arctic. If you're in an airplane, a commercial airplane flying from one side of the country to the other, you might end up in the stratosphere, which is the next layer of the atmosphere up. If there's warming in the stratosphere, then that's going to weaken this entire system, this vertically stacked fence that we have around the cold air. And once that weakens, the temperature differential between other areas not in this fence and what's inside of the fence is less. You start to see it breaking off and branching off and unleashing the coldest air. Once it does weaken and start to wobble, it does bring some pretty cold air in. It's a little more difficult to put it back into the fence. So this is happening a little early this year. For the rest of December, temperatures are going to be below normal for the Northeast as we have these temperature anomalies. The moral of the story is it's going to be cold this month, especially over the Northeast. So get ready, pull out the thickest jacket that you have, dress in layers, and make sure your pipes don't freeze.